This week I am testing the very beautiful Porsche 911 GTS. Now you probably wouldn't think this would be a family car, so let's find out how it goes as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Secure. In the back of the Porsche 911 GTS, there are Isofix in both the rear seats. They're really nice and easy to connect to and to access. Also on the parcel shelf back here are two top tether anchorages, also really nice and easy to access and connect to. Now, we could fit two Secure Attain moors in the back here, however I've got a 7-year-old and the booster seats don't fit in here. The versatile folding booster seat and the Spire Moor, they don't fit. So she had to sit in the back here without a child seat, which is fine at her age. Now my youngest one, she's normally rear facing, but I put her forward facing in here just for the sake of leg room. And she's been really comfortable forward facing in here all week. Now, you wouldn't think of this as a family car, however, if you do want to travel with kids in the back sometimes, you can easily. And we found with legroom, my husband, who's 186 centimetres, can drive in front of our 7-year-old daughter, and I'm 162 centimetres and I could travel in front of the forward-facing child seat. So about a 170 centimetre maximum front passenger and 186 centimetre driver. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Now, headroom is a consideration in the back here. I'm 162 centimetres, and if I sit properly in my seat, my head is touching the ceiling. So you do have to consider how tall your kids are as to whether or not they're going to fit in the back here. When it comes to storage in the Porsche 911 GTS, it is very minimal and compact, as you would expect. There is no storage in the back here for the second row passengers. In the front there's a central cup holder, and then there's another one that pops out of the dashboard for the front passenger. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, or a water bottle fits in them too. Now there's a very small central console box with USB-C sockets and a spot for your phone. The glove box is a surprisingly good size in here, and I could fit an iPad and my wallet and my sunnies in there easily. Now the door bins, there's two little ones of those. Again, you could pop an iPad or a wallet in there, or a phone and keys fit in there nicely. Now the engine is at the back of the Porsche 911. So for a boot, you've got the front here, which you open really nice and easily with the key. Let's find out how much we can fit in the front.
Empty will hold 3 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 1 shopping bag.
The 911 GTS is a fantastic car to drive. Now I have not reached its limits at all or anywhere near my week with my family with it. However, as a practical everyday car, it's a hell of a lot of fun as well. And being able to raise up the front of the car with a button on the dash is really handy for driveways and road bumps and things like that. It's just a really nice car to enjoy. The media system in the Porsche 911 GTS is pretty lovely and easy to use. Now it does have Apple CarPlay, which is fantastic, and it's wireless. Now there's lots of features in here, like you've got really good sat-nav in there. With Google Maps you can easily go to the media. It's got great stereo system, and you can also activate a lot of different things in the car here, especially people that want to drive this at the top of its range. Now also down on the dashboard you've got a few great buttons here. So you've got one that raises and lowers the front end of the car, which is really handy when you're going over speed bumps and slanted driveways, things like that, and it will save the location. You've also got a little button here which gives the exhaust a little bit of a whoomph, which is great when you go past your kids' friends when you're driving through school pickups. Now when you put it into reverse, the camera image is beautiful and clear, and you've got so many different angles you can look at, which are really handy when you're parking, because visibility isn't too bad out of here, to be honest. However, the cameras are a great help. So to sum up with the Porsche 911 GTS, if you are trying to get this over the line as a family car, then it's surprisingly good. You can fit the 2 kids in the back and 2 adults in the front. The front is surprisingly practical for a compact stroller, and the media system is good too. The drive is incredible and you will be the envy of everyone at school pickup time.